Depression, gawa-gawa lang ng mga tao yan. Gawa nila sa sarili nila.
Oo, dinidepress nyo lang yung sarili nyo, tapos nagkakaroon ng sakit.
Huwag niyo suportahan.
Bawat umaga, pinipilit kong paniwalaan ang sarili kong magiging maayos ang araw na to. Pero sa bawat tingin ng iba, parang mas lalo kong nararamdamang nag-iisa ako.
Kada hakbang sa lupa'y para akong inaalon at nalulunod sa batikos.
Minsan, kahit simpleng ngiti o tango, hindi na rin naibabalik. Kaya sa papel ko lang ilalagay ang mga pangarap kong hindi ko masabi. Patulad ng tanong na, kaya ko pa ba?
Guys, akin na nga yung mga ano nyo. Yung ambag nyo sa performance natin.
Pwede bang umiwas? Hinahanap ang sarili, ngunit di nakakayanan sa
Pwede ba to? Ano ba yan? Mag-individual ka na nga lang?
Gusto daw niya, pinagwawal. Siguro pinagagala niya lang ginagawa.
Sabi nila, gusto daw ako. Kung alam lang nila, bawat merindal ako sa bahalan, ng kapalit ng takot, sigaw, at luha.
Ano? Wala ka naman na itutulong dito. Hingi ka pa ng hingi. Yak na daw. Hindi mo na kaya. Wala.
makita.
Hindi mo na
Ating kaganda
Wala ka naman kwenta ang drama mo pa. Wala ka silbi.
ang makapupa.
Araw-araw ko na lang naririnig yun. Kaya naniniwala na rin ako na wala akong silbi.
Good morning, class. Today, we have recitation.
Sa bawat pagtaas nila ng kamay, may mga kasamang tamang sagot at palakpakan. Pero bakit tila kapag ako na
You, Miss Untalan?
White House po? Tawanan ang natatanggap ko.
Kada lakap sa hangin, pansin ko lagi na lang
So before ako umalis, I just want to congratulate almost all of you. Pasok kayo sa honor list. Okay mga anak, class dismiss. Ingat kayo sa pag-uwi.
Ma'am, lahat po.
Salta si anak, hindi ka isa ron.
Huwag niyo pong sabihin 89.4 lang po ako.
Huminga ka ng malalim at isipin ang mabuti ang mga desisyon.
Paglabas ko, parang nangingin lahat. Pero wala na akong marinig. Ang dami kong iniisip, ang dami kong nararamdaman. Hindi ko na alam kung alin ang uunahin ko. Kaya sana, may magsumungat lang ako.
Kaya tumaban ka at sabihin
Hindi ko na makakaya. Ba't niyo ako iniwan? Wala na nagiging proud sa akin. Pwede ba isama niyo na lang ako dyan? Hindi naman ako ganito dati. Ma, di na ako matalino. Di na ako sila. solusyon. Masama ako. Pero, isa, dalawa, Nasrin?
Nasrin! Okay ka lang po, Tema. Kikinig kami. Ayan na ba? Nakakakot! Nasrin! Kumalma ka! Nasrin! Nakikinig ka na ba? Nakikinig kami. Sabihin mo sa amin kung ano nararamdaman mo. Kamusta ka? Kamusta? Ang tagal-tagal ko lang gustong marinig yan eh. Simula na nawala si Mama. Nakakapagod na. Wala may walang sama ng Mama ko. Huwag ka mag-alala. Punta ka namin kamustahin araw-araw. Tama, hanggang sa maging okay ka na ulit. Gusto mo ba sumama sa amin? Makikinig kami.
What if the student who is quiet, struggling in school, or being laughed at is carrying a pain that is already too heavy?
What if the person who always smiles is actually fighting a battle no one knows about?
The story you have just reflects the reality of many people who silently struggle with depression.
Depression is also defined as more than just feeling sad. It is a serious mental health condition that can affect person's thoughts, feelings, behavior, and daily life. It can make someone feel hopeless, lonely, and unable to see their own way.
According to World Health Organization, depression is one of the most common mental disorder that can affect all ages.
There is no single cause of depression. It can be triggered by a painful experiences such as losing someone, family problems, financial difficulties, academic performance, bullying, trauma, and a feeling of being unsupported or alone.
Person with a depression may show signs such as isolation, constant sadness, difficulty in concentrating, and feeling like a burden.
The common signs of depression also include hopelessness, fatigue, and losing interest in the things they once enjoyed.
These signs should never be ignored.
When left unnoticed and unsupported, depression can affect person's relationship, academic performance, self-esteem, and overall well-being.
It can make a person believe that they are worthless, alone, and that their situation will never get better.
But there is a hope. Listening without judgment, showing kindness, and offering support can make a huge difference.
Checking on someone, asking how they feel, and encouraging them to seek help can remind them that they are not alone.
Sometimes, a simple conversation can become the beginning of healing.
You may never know what someone is going through.
We never truly know the battles people behind their smiles. Some are fighting the wars they never speak of. Some are crying in silence while pretending to be okay.
And some are still holding on, hoping that someone, somewhere, will notice their pain and simply ask, "Kamusta ka?"
So, before you judge, choose to understand.
Before you laugh, choose to be kind.
Before you walk away, choose to listen.
Because sometimes the strongest person are the ones breaking in silence. And sometimes a simple conversation can become a reason for someone to keep going.
Kaya naman, ikaw, kamusta ka?
You may never know that those words could be the light that changes someone in their darkest moment.
You may not able to solve their problems, but you can remind them that they are seen, they are heard, and they are not alone.
Depression is not a joke.